In this video I'm going to be reviewing ATM Profits. This is a training course all about making money with solo ads, and I've actually been through all the course myself, and it's really straightforward, it's really beginner friendly, and it's very easy to implement. I'll go through their sales page. They talk about how it's evergreen and it's beginner friendly, it's fully automated. You can set and forget the campaigns, and they give you some of their proofs of the profits that they're making, the affiliate commissions, and there's more of that down here. And yeah, so basically you once you go through all the training, you just follow their steps. They even give you done for you email sequences and emails and so on. You can go through all the processes and start earning commissions very quickly. Let me see, I'll show you my bonuses and the member area in a second. I think that's it for the sales page. Now the launch price for this is $12.95, and it's launching on the 10th of April at 9 AM Eastern, 2 PM GMT. Now the launch price is for the front end product, and in that you get all of the basic training that will get you started making money. I highly recommend the pro version because they give you more advanced training, and also the done for you OTO2. That also gives you some more done for you email sequences and so on. And then there's other OTOs where you can steal their traffic, quadruple resale license, you can sell some of their products and you get the full 100% profits, and you get access to their super affiliate method system, which is a whole coaching and training and all sorts. And if you buy via my link, I've created some bonuses for you. The first one is a full get response training course. Now within this training they go through Aweber. I've actually got a full course on GetResponse, so I'll give you access to that. I'll also give you access to a training on how to make money using the ATM Profits method. I'll give you a big file of 2,500 plus email swipes, and I'll give you some ebooks on solo ads mastery and solo ads made easy. These are all available only via the link down below. So let me take you into the training area. I've actually been through all of these training modules, and even just the front end part is comprehensive, and you can easily start making money just by following these methods. They give you a full case study, how to set up your autoresponders, the actual done for you funnel. They just tell you how to pick your offers to promote, how to create email follow-ups, how to actually get the traffic to these for this email system, how to track the traffic and the links, and how to do successful email broadcasts, managing your list, keeping it clean, which is very important. And also they give you a done for you product. And there's a conclusion. Now this is all the front end, and this training is more than enough to get you started. I actually went through it all and I found it, because I don't use solo ads that often, but I'm actually really going to consider it now, because it's fairly cheap, and yeah, they've had a lot of success with it, so why not try it? Nothing else for me to cover in this. Let me see. Now what I like is they give you a full case study, and they give you a lot of done for you email swipes and email sequences, because that is where people struggle, is actually getting going with the email sequences. Now you can use it with any email provider you want, but they recommend Aweber, and I've given you a course for GetResponse, so either of those will get you going, or you can use any that you want. Okay, so with this package today you get the ATM Profit Blueprint, you get all these done for you resources, you get an ultimate traffic system, they give you a real world case study, and all these other things here. They give you other free bonuses from within the system itself. So you get this domination group and paydays and profit force and so on. And yes, all for one price, $12.95. That is the front end price, and in my opinion it's an absolute bargain. So I hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, bye.